Alright y'all, before y'all start prepping, because prepping takes a little bit shorter time, so make sure you preheat your oven to like 220 to 230 or 240 depending on how strong your oven is, but mine's a little bit weak, so I'm gonna set it to 230 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know what that is in Celsius. You can look it up on Google quick. I'm not a math wizard. So anyway, I'm gonna set mine at, like I said, 230. So use your knife, cut off the plastic wrap, just in case some of y'all don't know, you don't cook it in the wrap. Just open up one side because this is real bloody. It has some blood and water in it, so I'm just gonna pour it out. Some more things that I did not mention of earlier. You will need some towels to dry off your meat. Dry off your meat. I like to take off this membrane in the back here. And it is ready for seasoning, so that's the next step. Throw these away. So now, again, for some more stuff that I did not say in the beginning, so you want to get some tin foil. Alright, so I'm just gonna seasoning the top part. Rinse my hands again because it's kind of dirty. I don't want to touch that, contaminate the caps of the other seasoning stuff. Just gonna rinse my hand quick. Alright, so now let's season the meat. Next side. Alright, so now you're just gonna wrap it up. Bone up. Just remember the bone's up. I'm just gonna put this tray under there just for safety, so it doesn't leak out everywhere. Because after about 2 hours, there's gonna be a lot of juice in the wrap, so yeah. Just letting you know. Make sure the bone is up, meat down. Okay, so once you set your timer, you can set it, forget it, as long as you're around the house somewhere that you can hear the beeping, or just set it on your phone, because you're probably gonna have your phone everywhere with you wherever you go. So I am gonna be catching up on Stranger Things 3 because it just came out like 2 days ago. So I'm gonna be binging that for 2 hours. But first, I'm gonna make my rice because us Asian can't live without rice. So I'm gonna make my rice first. Then I'll go watch a movie. Then I might just eat some stuff while I wait for the ribs to get done. It's 2 hours. Got a lot of time for my stomach to settle and eat the ribs, so. Alright, so the ribs are done, and I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce on it, and then I'm gonna broil it for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then it should be great. Alright, so after you drain out all the liquid, make sure you put a new tin foil on it so these residue or these liquid don't burn up in the oven while you broil it, because it's just gonna stink out the place and your alarm's gonna go on and everything. Trust me, I've done it before. So just gonna take this out and switch it for a new one. Right, there we have it. And that is all I have for you guys today. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe to the channel, please.